So hello everyone, my name is Whel and welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? In today's video, what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna do some kind of a haul slash unboxing. See?
Oh my god.
So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do click on the subscribe button, and of course, don't forget to click on the post notification bell icon for you to be notified whenever I upload another video. So let's get right into the video. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have a haul, and what I have here is a plastic. I bought some stuff. These are actually a mixture of things that I bought from Watsons and as well as online. So let's start, and we have this packet kind of thing, silver foil. So this is an LED light, you know, the one you can stick at the back of your TV and it would have color. We're gonna open it. Okay, and we have this one. This is an LED controller with remote control. Comes with its power cable. Now you insert the power cable thingy onto here. And then we have this. So this is 5 meters long, I think. So as you can see, it's LED light. Okay, maybe you can try turning it on if it works. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna make sure that this side here, it has an arrow, a red arrow here, and this one has an arrow as well. So match those together and insert the plug there. I'm gonna just plug this into it actually comes with a remote control. Let's see.
When you go down there, make sure that you find the crocodile. Second, you have to find.
So the remote control has RGB, red, green, blue.
Good luck. Okay.
So there are different colors here. There's violet, that's like purple, this is like magenta, this is dark blue. Different. There are different colors on here. This is yellow. Yeah, it really is yellow. This orange and a deeper orange and the deepest orange, and then there's red. So we have that, and the functions here we have also white. Just want to be bright. Yeah. Hello, look at me. I have an LED light. So this is my, I'm gonna use this as my light now. Okay, and you can do, there are different functions on the remote as well. You can do flash, and you have strobe. And there's escape.
When you can find space, the crocodile could actually leap out of the water easily. At any of the cheeks.
And we have smooth. So we have that, and these two here. I'm not really sure what these two are. These two buttons up here, but let's turn it off. So there's that. I actually ordered 3 pieces, so that would be equivalent to 15 meters, and I don't know where I'm gonna put it. Maybe at the back of my TV. Who knows? Now let's get on with the next item. We have here this LED video lighting. I ordered this from Lazada. I forgot how much it was. I think it was around 700 something. So I already opened it here, and it doesn't actually have a battery. Still stands. I didn't know. I didn't know that it didn't include a battery. So I have
make
This
your
is
teeth unbelievably
the LED light. It comes with its hook or something, the stand that you put on your camera, on your hot shoe mount. So it comes with that, and this is where you insert the battery. I don't know, it uses like a specific type of battery, but I ordered something online as well. I ordered the battery thing online, and I'm just gonna wait until it arrives, and we'll see if it works. So this is its. I think this is where you adjust the level of the light that it emits. So I don't know. I don't really know if it works, but let's hope it does. Now for the next one, we have items from Watsons. Yeah. I just went there and I saw that they had sale. These are actually makeup related stuff. Let's start with the lipstick. Oh, there are a lot of lipsticks here. Look at it. Take a look at it. Take a look at it. See? It's 5 lipsticks. It's the BYS. Brand BYS matte lipstick. These are actually different shades, and this retail for 299 pesos. And there's a catch. If you buy one, you get 4 free, because they're trying to like empty all their stock. So they're selling this 1 buy 1 take 4. So a total of 5 lipsticks. These have different shades actually. I'm gonna do a swatch for you. Okay, so now we will swatch these lipsticks. So we have 5 shades here from BYS. These are matte lipsticks. So let's start first with this color. This is a very light shade of nude. Let's see how long it goes. See how long it is. Yeah, that is actually a lot of product. Let's see if it states here how many. I don't think it's 3 grams of product. So let's go ahead and swatch that. Okay.
In the west of India, Paul and Kartik have found themselves between a mother crocodile.
This is the shade Almost Nude. See? It's almost nude. Where is it? You can actually see it. It's here. It's hard to see. It's very, very light. It's a warm tone. It's actually warm toned. Or is it cool tone? It is warm toned. But it has it's very soft, very creamy. It easily applies to the skin. Now I don't know how it applies on the lips. You would have to try that as well. Now we'll go to our next shade here. We have the shade Pink Dusk. Pink Dusk. 3.5 grams. So this is much bigger than this one. Let's go ahead and swatch that here.
To reunite the jackal puppies with their missing mother.
The place that we're headed is a farming
It's
area. Their mom is out there. She's super.
A very
stressed.
subtle pink
She'll be looking for
we
them.
have
And it
here.
would be fantastic if we
It's
could find
it is very warm undertone actually.
them.
So if you like that, then try and get this one. Pink Dusk. Now the next one we have is Nudie
Do we
Patootie.
have the exact location?
So this is more on deeper shade of nude. Now let's put that
Maybe we
here.
should start walking like in a spiral away from the spot and see if we can find a dent.
See that? Looks like a bronzer, which is very nice.
This is
Actually
where
realized.
Granger found the puppy, so there should be a
So the
shelter bed
consistency of
somewhere
these
nearby,
lipsticks
but
are
I
actually
imagine it's gonna be
the
very
same.
easy to
All
find.
three that I have tested are the
Shadows
same.
very adaptable.
They are very easy to
Found in
apply,
grass
and
lands,
it
dry,
is-
arid country. In nature, these guys would be hidden in a den, a comfortable little hole in the ground. It's going to be surrounded by
I
leaves.
think
and
it's
grass.
smudge proof. Yeah, try really hard. It's really good. And it's very cheap.
I feel like I'm
So,
more likely to find a
It's a
snake than
good
a
deal.
jack-o'-lantern.
If you go and check and see your local Watsons, you
If the
can
mother's
go ahead
gonna
and
come back for her pup, it's going to be at this
see
time
if
of day,
there are
so
still available
this is
of
our
these
window.
lipsticks. BYS
It's not
matte
too hot.
lipsticks. So we have this next one. This is Biscotti.
She only lost them this morning, so I
Try
mean,
to put that here.
if she's alive, she's going to come back to this area. I hope we find her.
Now for this one, it is more of, I don't know how to describe
That's
that.
amazing that you found that.
And
in the wet dirt.
it actually looks like it's
we have
glittery. It's shiny.
we
You
had rain
see,
2 days ago.
it's like metallic, but it's actually not.
This den
So
actually
it
flooded.
has like
Maybe that
it's like
guy
golden
either
undertone.
abandoned or was trying to
This
move
one
the
has
house.
like golden undertone, so
You
it's
think
great for
the best
those
chance of reuniting
skin
them
tones that have
would be
golden
in
undertones.
front of the old den.
Is this as renewed? Now we have the last one. We have Toasty. Toasty, toasty, toasty.
Hopefully, once we put the pups
Now
in there,
this
they'll
one
say
is
we don't we don't come back.
sort, it's like a pinkish brown color, I
She might be
think,
afraid to approach the pups.
if I'm not mistaken.
She might have
do
been
that.
found. She might have been
Swatch here.
by a car. I don't know. I
Yeah,
really,
it is.
I really hope
And you can see the pink
that we can get
and combination of pink and brown color. Now the next item from Watsons that I was able to buy was this. This is the Nadine Lustre X BYS
This is a huge problem.
Lustrous Collection.
It's 2.5 feet.
Limited edition collection developed. See? This is a white eyeliner.
And capture
White liner. Let me open it.
them out and then get the
So white liner, this retails for $199, but it is on sale, so I only got it for 100
We're
pesos.
almost at the top. We got you.
Now here it is,
Excellent. Oh man, well done, well done.
lustrous,
Good job.
by Nadine Lustre and BYS.
Yeah, difficult to breathe in there. If you stay there for too long, your head starts spinning.
I cannot
A
see.
lot of people would say
I don't have a mirror.
for one crocodile. But I say,
Okay, never mind.
no game.
But we have that. Let's see, let's watch that on our hand.
To make it happen. Thank you. Big hand to Mitesh.
The water pumping, and the idea is just to
quite
bring the
smooth.
water down, and overnight, hopefully in the morning, there's going to be a crocodile
It doesn't smudge
waiting
that
for us.
easily,
Lower, lower, go.
which is really good. This is a pencil, so you have to sharpen this. So last, one of the things that I was so excited to see that was on sale, because this item is actually very expensive. So it costs like the total of my bill, the total of the things that I bought actually equals to the original price of this item. It is from Detail Makeover Metallics,
That's correct. These are dog bites.
21 colors,
And they're filled
eyeshadow
with bacteria.
palette.
After it's closed, you basically
So we
keep
have
infection in
another
there.
eyeshadow palette.
Doing an
See, as you can
eyeliner
see,
scrub.
it is actually 745 pesos. It's very expensive, but right now you can get it for half the price.
Get that tube going all the way down in there, and it's just injecting that
That's why I got so excited when I saw that it was on sale, because this is a very, very in demand eyeshadow. It's all metallic. It has
They just grab hold of them right there.
great colors, as you can
Bacteria out of there,
see.
otherwise it's going to fester and kill them
Look at
eventually. So gotta get that really, really clean.
It's
I think
fantastic.
it's good.
I'm so glad it was on sale, because most of the time they don't put this on sale. It's very expensive.
But that could
So I'm excited to test this. If you want me to use this eyeshadow palette,
2.9103.
tell me if you want to see me use this palette in the comment section below. But I'm still gonna use it even if you don't tell me. So yeah, it's very nice. I'm gonna do some swatches for you in order for you to see how it applies to the skin. Okay?
Good though. I expect.
So we have the shade Altair here. Altair, Bellatrix. Bellatrix. Maya.
We're attracting crowds.
We have
There's
Pollux.
people everywhere. They're really excited to
Delta.
have a release.
Delta.
This is the river.
Capella. And
The
Arcturus.
crocodiles, they're doing really well. As good as you can get. Where are we going? Up or down? Down.
All earth toned. This is the next row. We have Electra, Heidi, I don't know, Triton,
SOS team on their
the brownish,
just a little bit
Nissa,
change in animals
we have Keed,
Jungle Hero
Palias, and Mira,
on that
the brown.
And with you
Now this is the last row. We have Black Hole, Deneb, Vega, Nash, Sirius Black, Sirius,
cheetah cubs.
Rana, and Talitha. It's very yellow.
An average cheetah eats 6 to 8 pounds of food a day.
Now, last but not the least, we have the last item we have here from Toy Mart, where every child
Dr. Raja
is valued. You go, Toy Mart. Children are a gift from the Lord. They are a reward from Him. I think Toy Mart is only in Festive Mall Mega World Iloilo. I'm not sure if there are any branches outside of Iloilo, but this is where I bought this item. Do you want to see what's inside? Is the
One of the best things that we can do to help them
Harry Potter.
temperature is actually to reverse
It's
the
Hermione
anesthesia.
Granger
Because under anesthesia,
from McFarlane Toys action figure. Hermione, yes! I really wanted to buy Voldemort as well, but I wanted to put Hermione first because she's my bae. Yes, Hermione. Okay, so we'll do an unboxing for this, and we'll see how she is.
I didn't realize.
So we have our box here. We have Harry Potter, as you can see, Wizarding World, Hermione Granger, and a picture of Harry there. This retails for 1,499 pesos. Let's see, focus. There, 1,499 on the side. We have all the box, and at the back, you can see
I'm really relieved because I was feeling really good.
we have Harry.
Acted fast enough.
We have
Pass
Buckbeak,
away.
Voldemort, Ron, and of course, the one I bought, Hermione. Yes. So, I'm planning to buy all of these because I want to collect them all and display them, you know. Okay, let's go and open the box. Okay. And pull this out. It actually comes with a background, a backdrop. I have a backdrop here. This is the, I think this is,
I'm a little bit nervous. I'm not sure how
I'm not sure. I think it's the room of requirements. I think. Yeah. So we have that. And now we have Hermione. Yes! We have her stand here. Okay, so these are all scotch taped to its packaging, which is kind of annoying, but still good because it's, we know it's protected. Okay, let's take everything out. So this is actually a stand for its backdrop. Put that here, I think, yeah, kind of. So you make the stand here. Yeah.
Okay, I'm here. Yeah.
And We have her stand. It has a Harry Potter logo in the front, and it's very textured. It's just black. Put that aside. Another stand here. This one is for the Patronus that she has, which is also a freebie here. Her Patronus is an otter, which is so cute. Let's see. So we finally got her Patronus out. See, it's a cute otter. So it has a hole on the bottom, and you can put that here. There. That is her Patronus, the otter. Now let's get her wand out. We have her wand here. It's very detailed. It's reminiscent of her actual wand. It's the wand with those vines and flowers. I really like Hermione's wand. It's very small, very fragile. Now, to the main event, we have, of course, the one and only Hermione. Now let's get her out of the box. Thank God. So we finally got her out of the box. So we have Hermione here in all her glory. Hermione, there is actually, it really looks like Emma Watson. Yeah, she's wearing her costume from the Deathly Hallows movies. Okay. Now she has a whole bunch of articulation on her. You can see it's very fragile. I don't want to. Her articulation right now, her movement is kind of hard. So I think I'm gonna do some. I'm not sure how I'm gonna be able to make it a little looser than it is right now, but it's kind of scary. Make her sit. Look at her.
These guys are really
And
young, probably only 3 weeks old.
just have to do some maneuvering.
Let's go check
Okay.
what these guys are doing.
And make her do her pose. There.
I gotta wash the paint off my hands here.
See, and you can position her as if she's doing the Patronus.
The main concern would be that they're dehydrated, but
Am I seeing? You can see that?
she's got
Yes,
very
go
moist
Hermione.
nose and bright eyes.
Now, she has a lot of articulation. I just don't want to show it to you right now because it's very, very hard. And I think I need to bathe her in hot water first to loosen her up. No, she needs a little shower. So that's my Hermione. Okay, and you can put her backdrop here or something like that, or you can also put her on her stand. She has a hole in her feet. She has one hole here, so you can make her stand there. Insert her there. See, and do her Patronus. So yeah.
Really need to
So yeah, that's it. Those are the things that I have recently bought. I hope you enjoyed watching this haul / unboxing / makeup swatching. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button, and of course click on the bell icon for you to be notified whenever I upload a new video. And of course don't forget to like this video as well. And if you have any suggestions on what videos you want me to upload on my channel, feel free to put them on the comment section below. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day ahead of you.